I think as I watched the community for last couple of years, certainly this year I see there is a lot of traction. The community is actually talking about it, and certainly Indian community has been leading this revolution in all parts of the world, and it's good to see that within India, this community is now talking about how to leverage the next generation of technologies like artificial intelligence, right, big data, and data science being the transformational power that we have. And I think we should see some more traction in next couple of months to years. I think, first of all, let me thank Trustcon to put me on the jury duty for selecting CIOs in India. It's such a tough challenge because the range of nominations that we got is significant, right? It's like wide-ranging CIOs from industries, from retail to B2B and services company and things like that. So it's not a apples to apples comparison, right? But I think as I read through the nominations and the projects that they have done, significant value has been created by majority of these CIOs in the environment that is always harder because technology changes so fast, and the planning process and all those things take so much time and effort. So creating the economic value for their organizations or for the customer base is always challenging for a CIO. And I think by going through those nominations, I was very impressed that some of the people have really achieved a lot in a very short time period and also continue to do the same for a long time. I think the agenda is very good. Like I can say it's perfect, right? But I think people have been very sharing of their knowledge and experience so openly rather than some conferences where people like not to talk about their challenges. They will always say nice things. But here people have been pretty open about what challenges they face in day-to-day life, how do they want to improve things. And of course, the two yoga session as well as the stress management session, those were wonderful addition to a conference like that because yes, we all focus on technology and its implementation, but as we all know that it's all about human life. Yeah, I think I don't know how many 200 300 talks I have given. I think TrustCon, the couple of things that come to mind. One is even during the preparation phase, the team is very engaged into finding out what the right topics are and what is the need of the community, right? Whether it's a CIO or the blockchain, artificial intelligence, they focus on certain things and the team actually prepares and gets the right audience. The panel discussions like for example, yesterday we had the all women panel, which is I think good to see in India. All right, it is a need in India to have women leadership. So thinking of that process and building that community is like TrustCon's, I think, USP, right? I think, and then as I said, topics, challenges, and really what the community can benefit from.